Yo, that's a sexy bunny.
Sexy bunny. Want to see your eyeball? I got this.
Where do you think you're going?
Where's the video?
Really, where do you think you're going?
Whoa, look how big that eyeball is. Oh, oh.
Where do you think you're going, Missy?
Duck spasm.
Oh crap, runaway duck.
You want to come out? Cage is open, go ahead.
I just realized I still have my volleyball pants on.
Oh, there's a big eye.
Why are you obsessed with eyeballs?
Oh my god, you spit one right into her eye. I'm sorry. Duck. Bunny. A bunny.
I still have my volleyball pants on.
I just realized that this works. Ready? Not really. From duck view.
That's her butt. I mean her leg.
There's a lot more animals. Wait, there's a hamster. Hold on. Let me just get the hamster real quick. Hey, Hammy. Where's your head? Oh, okay. I found a hamster. See? Oh, look at that.
See if I stop.